Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best helmet headsets in this video? I will show you the top 5 best helmet headsets to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Lishine 2 PCS B4FMX. Specifications. Model name, B4FM Pro. Power supply mode, built-in battery. Connection mode, Bluetooth. Maximum number of speakers, 6. Maximum intercom distance, 1000 meters. Working speed, up to 120 kilometers per hour. Talking time, up to 15 hours. Waterproof, full weather protection. Bluetooth, 5.0. Weight, 0.55 kilograms. Number 4 is Freecon FX Helmet Headset. Specifications. Brand name, Freecon. Model name, Freecon Intercom FX. Power supply mode, built-in battery. Connection mode, wire, Bluetooth. Maximum intercom distance, 2000 meter. Max connected member, 10. Charging time, 2.5 hours. Bluetooth talking time, 9.5 hours. Power supply, 5 volts, 0.5 amperes. Weight, 415 grams. As the item number 3 we've selected, Freecon R3 Pro. Specifications. Model name, R3 Pro. Power supply mode, built-in battery. Connection mode, wire, Bluetooth. Maximum number of speakers, 6. Maximum intercom distance, 1000 m. Plug type USB. Wi-Fi support. Weight 0.4 kg. Number 2 is Fodsports M1-S Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Fodsports. Model name, Fodsports M1-S Pro. Power supply mode, built-in battery. Connection mode, Bluetooth, wired. Maximum number of speakers, 6. Maximum intercom distance, 500 to 1000 m. Working speed, up to 120 kilometers per hour. Battery, built-in 900 milliamperes. Weight, 40 grams. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Fodsports FX8 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Fodsports. Connection mode, Bluetooth. Maximum number of speakers, 8. Maximum intercom distance, 1000 m. Waterproof rating, IP65. Charging port, Type-C charging port. FM radio, support 76108 MHz. Battery, built-in lithium battery. Weight 0.65 kilograms.